Hello everyone. In this course, we are going to learn about Power BI. Yes, in February 2019, Microsoft was named as the leader in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Analytics and Business Intelligence, not for the first time, but for the 12th year in a row. And for the past 5 years, Microsoft's dominance in analytics and business intelligence is because of Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is a set of powerful tools designed to be accessible to business and users. Tools that can let you create visualizations that you can manipulate, publish, and share with your colleagues and clients. Learning Power BI gives you an edge over people who are trying to analyze data using tools that are harder to use, less powerful, and less collaborative. So, this is how all the visuals looks. You can have a look in the screen. And now I'm going to discuss what you need for this course. So here is what you will need if you want to work along with the demonstration which we are going to discuss in this course. First, hardware recommendations. Microsoft requires 1 gigabyte of available RAM in order to run Power BI, and 1.5 gigabytes or even more is recommended. I would tell you even more than this is better. Yes. If you are running Power BI and trying to analyze even relatively simple data sets with only 1.5 gigabytes of available RAM, it will be an underwhelming experience. So CPU requirement is 1 gigahertz or faster. x86 or x64-bit processor is recommended, and the faster the better. Display settings are something that you almost never have to adjust. Yes, but here you will want to be attentive, because if you set your display to less than 1440 by 900, or if you are in the 16 by 9 orientation, like 1600 by 900, so like if it is less than that, Power BI will display the exact same window, but part of it will be off the edge of your screen. So you will want to make sure that this is your minimum resolution. And you will want to make sure that your display settings for your text should be 100% or less. It's a real common setting now. To set your display and then to go for 125% on the text, 150% on the text. If you do that, you will have problems with Power BI. So be attentive to your display with Power BI, even if you haven't had to for anything else. So now moving to software. So for software, Power BI is meant to run on Windows 7 or Windows Server 2008 R2 or later. Most of us will be running it in Windows 10, for example, and that's fine. Also, you will need a .NET 4.5. You will also want the latest version of your browser that you are using, suppose Google Chrome, Edge, or perhaps Internet Explorer. But make sure that is up to date. You will need to have Power BI Pro or Power BI. There are actually 3 different ways Power BI is licensed. Power BI is a free version. This Power BI is a free version that will allow you to do about 90% of things. But Power BI Pro has a monthly license associated with it. So whatever basics we are going to cover, this Power BI has everything. Okay, but Power BI Pro is a licensed version, and it is a monthly license associated with it. It might already be included with the version of Office 365 that you have. Or if you don't have Power BI Pro yet, you can get a 60-day trial version of Power BI Pro from powerbi.com. Yes, you can avail 60-day free trial version. In addition to Power BI Pro or Power BI, you also need Power BI Desktop, which is a free download that sits on your PC and allows you to model and transform data. Additionally, there are some apps for Power BI for mobile or mobile devices. And if you have a mobile device and you want to work along, you will be downloading and installing that as well. Okay. So, apart from these, we have a mobile app too for Power BI. Okay. So, and what about how about your data skills? So I assume that you know something about how to work with data because Power BI is all about visualizing data and sharing those visualization with others. For example, if you have already worked in Excel and if you know how to enter, edit and format, you know how to use the table commands, how to find and replace and sort and filter data and how to insert and format charts, you will do well here. Because in Power BI, those are exactly the kind of skills you will want to bring to this course. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to start the basics of Power BI and like I can show you how like this is a Power BI service and I'm going to introduce you with Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Pro, how it looks like and how you're going to work on that. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.